Hi everyone. So in today's video, we are going to be learning the book bag question and answers of the lesson When the Trees Walked. So if you have noticed under every sections there will be some questions. So we should answer them. So let's see the Rom letter 1 question and answer. First question is, when did the garden become a happy place for the author? So this is a question. So you know already who is the author here, isn't it? Yes, who is the author here? Yes, Ruskin Bond. So when he feels happy when he is in the garden, so the answer is the garden became a happy place for the author when his grandfather joined him. So when he feels happy is when his grandfather joins him, the author Ruskin Bond feels happy in the garden. Okay, and also the entire place will become happy place for the author. Okay, so that is the answer. Second question, what are the two reasons the author gives for the plants moving towards grandfather? So we have seen it already in the lesson that the plant tendril was moving slowly towards his grandfather, isn't it? So when we was seeing that, the author gave us two reasons. First reason is light and warmth. So this is a scientific reason. Second reason is they liked to be near grandfather. So why it was moving slowly towards his grandfather means the plant tendril loves being with his grandfather. Okay, so these are the two reasons which was given by the author. First reason, light and warmth. This is a scientific reason, but he is not mentioning them. Second reason, they likely to be near grandfather. So this is the reason the author gives us, because the tendril it was moving to it was lacking to be with the grandfather. Third question, why does the writer think that the people tree is a great show off? So we have seen it already in the lesson, the people tree, Arasamaram. So it was looking so gorgeous, it was looking so big, and also the tree was destroying the outhouse, isn't it? It was breaking the walls. We have seen it already. The answer is, even when there is no breeze, their broad chested, slim waisted leaves will spin like tops determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. Okay. We have seen it already that the people tree is looking so gorgeous, looking so big. Because of its outstanding appearance, beautiful appearance, it is attracting the people's attention to come to its shade. Okay. அதனுடைய அழகு, அதனுடைய உருவம் அது என்ன பண்ணுது, எல்லாரையும் அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி அதோட நிழலுக்கு வர வைக்குது. த பீப்புள் ட்ரீ. Fourth question, why do we need trees? List out four reasons that grandfather gives. So why the trees are using for us? Okay, the reasons are, first reason, we need trees to keep the desert away. So we have seen it already. If there is no tree in the world will become a desert. Desert means what? There won't be any water, there won't be any tree, there won't be any plant or anything else. There won't be nothing. Okay, so that is called desert. Okay, so if there is no tree means the entire world will become a desert. So second question, to attract rain. Okay, without trees we cannot get rain. Okay, without trees we cannot get rain. So the second reason is to attract rain. Third point is to prevent banks of rivers being washed away. Okay, so if there is no rain means there won't be any river. Okay, so if there is no river means we cannot eat food. There won't be there won't be any cultivations, so there will be no food. So water is very important. If you want to get water means we have to grow plants, we have to grow trees. Fourth reason is for fruits and flowers. So without trees we cannot get fruits and flowers, isn't it? So we are eating a lot of fruits and a lot of we are keeping a lot of healthy food, we are eating a lot of healthy food. Where we are getting them from? We are getting them from the trees, isn't it? So that is the fourth reason. Fifth reason is for timber. Timber means what? Timber na maram. Okay, so without trees we cannot get any furniture items like chair, wooden window, wooden doors. So without trees we cannot get any furniture items like them. Okay, so trees are very very important. So fifth question is, why did the author help his grandfather plant trees? Okay, so the answer is, the thought of your world without trees become a sort of nightmare to the author, and so he helped his grandfather in his tree planting with great enthusiasm, isn't it? We have seen it already. The author asked grandfather that why we are planting trees in the forest. We are wasting our time because no one is come and see them. This is what the author told him. But the grandfather replied him that if there is no tree means what will happen? The entire world will become desert. Okay, the entire place will become desert. So this word, this message changed his mind. Whose mind? The author's mind, to plant the trees. Okay, because he was frightened. அவருக்கு அப்படியே அந்த அதை மரம் இல்லாத அந்த உலகத்தை நினச்சி பார்க்கும்போது ஆத்தருக்கு ரொம்ப பயம் வந்துருச்சு. நைட் மேரனது ஒரு பயங்கரமான கனவு, ஒரு பயங்கரமான நினைப்பு. ஸோ திஸ் ரீசன் சேஞ்ச்டு him to plant the trees. Okay, so that is the fifth answer. Sixth question: what made grandfather plant saplings on the rocky island? Okay, so we saw that in the lesson that grandfather and his grandson were looking for a place to plant the trees, isn't it? Finally they found a rocky island. So there they saw something. The answer is there was a mango tree on the island, so grandfather planted saplings there. So when they were roaming in the forest, they found a mango tree. So they thought that even a small plant can grow here, means all the plants can grow here. ஓகே, இந்த சின்ன ஒரு பிளான்ட் இங்கே வளர முடியும்னா அப்போ எல்லா மரத்தாலையும் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? இங்கே வளர முடியும். ஸோ தட் தே பிளான்டட் ஆல் த ட்ரீஸ் இன் த ஃபாரஸ்ட். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் whom? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ஸ்மால் பிளான்ட், பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ஸ்மால் மேங்கோ பிளான்ட். ஓகே. Seventh question: what did grandmother feel about trees growing in the house? The answer is grandmother felt that trees growing in the house made it look like a roof brought down by jungle. Okay, so we know that grandmother doesn't like to grow trees. She loves growing flowers only. She loves keeping flowers only, but she doesn't like trees. Okay, so she thinks that trees are destroying the house, and also she's afraid that the tree will destroy the roof and walls, everything, so that she doesn't like trees to grow around his house. Okay. So eighth question: why did the author leave town? Who is the author here? Ruskin Bond. ஏன் அவர் அந்த டவுன் விட்டு போனார் அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறாங்க. So the answer is the author left town to live with his father. Okay, the author Ruskin Bond left the town to live with his father. Okay. So ninth question: how did grandfather's dream come true? Yes, the island became a small green paradise. So we saw that in the lesson. The author Ruskin Bond came back to India after several years, after many years. When he came back to the same place, that place was filled with a lot of trees. The entire place was looking so greenish, and also the entire place was looking like a small paradise. ஒரு சொர்க்கம், ஒரு பச்சையான சொர்க்கம் மாதிரி அந்த ஆத்தருக்கு இருந்துச்சு. When it happened, when he came back after a long time, after many years, the entire place was filled with a lot of trees. 10th question: describe what the author saw when he went back to the island. ஸோ அவர் பல வருஷம் கழித்து அந்த ஐலாண்டு போகும்போது அவர் என்னென்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணார் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறாங்க. என்னென்னலாம் பார்த்தாரு அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் when he went back to the island, the author noticed small trees, wild plants and grasses had sprung up under their protection. The trees they had planted long ago had multiplied. When he went to the island, he saw a lot of trees. Small plants, small wild plants and grasses had sprung up under the protection. அந்த மரம்லாம் நிறைய வளர்ந்துருக்கு. அந்த மரத்துக்கு கீழே நிறைய இந்த புற்களும் இந்த காட்டு செடிகளும் நிறைய வளர்ந்துருக்குது. அதை பார்த்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுறார். யார்? who became happy? The author Ruskin Bond. So the trees they had planted long ago had multiplied. அவங்க ரொம்ப வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நட்ட அந்த மரங்கள் எல்லாம் ஆயிடுச்சு, நிறைய பெருகிடுச்சு. So that is the answer. So finally the grandfather's dream had come true. Okay, so second, tick the appropriate answer options. Okay, first question: according to the author, the tendril was moving towards grandfather because it wanted to be near grandfather. Okay, the answer is it wanted to be near grandfather. Second, grandfather had wanted the peepal tree cut down because what? because it was knocking down the bricks and the house. It was knocking out the bricks and house. Third question, grandfather helped grandma out with the gardening because he wanted to grow flowers to attract butterflies. I told you already, grandmother doesn't like trees, but she loves planting flowers only, isn't it? So that is the answer. She wanted to grow flowers and to attract butterflies. Fourth question, the author did not want to plant saplings in the forest because the answer is no one would come to see them. So we have seen that already, that the author asked the grandfather that why we are wasting our time, why we are planting them, because no one will come and see them. Then this is what the author told his grandfather. Fifth question, grandfather felt planting trees would help him to help the forest because the answer is the animals and birds would find it easier to live. Okay, why grandfather planted all the trees in the forest is for the animals and birds, okay, for their shelter and for their food. Okay, so this is the main reason the author is planting the trees in the forest, not to make a huge view, not to make people to come and see them. The only reason is for the birds and animals to live for the food. So this is the main reason the author is planting all the trees. Okay, so sixth question, when the author returned from England to Dehradun, he found father's dream had come true because the forest covered the island. Okay, the forest covered the island. So because the forest covered the entire island. So that is the answer. Okay. So wish you all the best, children.